In this video, we're gonna take a look on MetaMask. But what is MetaMask? MetaMask is an Ethereum-based crypto wallet which brings us to the DeFi world and allows us to interact with platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. All in all, MetaMask is one of the most famous crypto wallets, and what else opportunity MetaMask offers us, we're gonna take a look in this video. But first we start here with MetaMask, we have to take a look on the link, because in the web there are a lot of scam links of MetaMask. So be careful here and check that you definitely use this link, so metamask.io. So now on MetaMask it should look like this, and here you can see again MetaMask is a crypto wallet and a blockchain app. And what we have to do now here is to connect MetaMask with our Chrome browser. For this we go top here to download, and then you can see that there are some options. So iOS and Android is for your phone version. In our case now we have to choose the Chrome version. And here one small tip of mine, I use all the time Chrome because in my opinion it's the best web browser. So I would definitely apologize to you that you also use Chrome on this point. So for this we have now to go here on install MetaMask for Chrome, then put it to our browser, and as you can see MetaMask will open directly here on your browser. And before we're going to start to create our wallet for MetaMask, I will show you a little trick here. And for this you clicked here on the puzzle and you can see MetaMask is now on your browser connected. And now you go on this point here to pin it to your browser, and now you can see that the little fox symbol is coming up there. And you will need this in future a lot of times, so yeah, you can thank me later for this tip. What we have to do now is to create our wallet. For this we click here on create new wallet. Here you can say no thanks, it's all about your data, you don't need it. And then you have to fill in your password. So I type in now here my password. Now we have to click on this little box and say now okay, create a new wallet for MetaMask. And after this, your wallet will come to the next step. So here it's all about a secure. You have a little video here as well. Yeah, but you don't need it because you watched this video. Yeah, down here you also have some information about the recovery phrase. But we will come to this point now. So for this you have to click here on the blue box, and then you will come to your secret phrase. So the secret phrase is the most important point of your MetaMask wallet. It's like your general key for your MetaMask wallet, and you definitely have to write down this phrase. So I will show you now how the phrase is going to look like. For this you click here on the blue box, and there you can see there are coming 12 words, and the 12 words are the most important thing in the right direction as well. So my tip here, write down these 12 words right now, and don't do it digital, write them by your own on handwriting, and then you put this like notice on a very safe point, so you cannot lose these 12 words here, because these are the most important words of your MetaMask wallet. So in my case I copy them here now for the example of the video. Click here on next, and now put these 3 words here in the empty boxes so we can continue. So if you put in the words here now in the right direction, you just have to say confirm, and now you create your wallet. We go now here also on got it, click next, done, and as you can see now your MetaMask wallet is created finally, and you have your own MetaMask wallet right now. So the first thing we see now here is that like as I told you in the beginning, MetaMask is based on the Ethereum wallet. You can also see this because of the Ethereum logo here. But I can say now directly there are the option to create new networks on MetaMask. But how that works, I will show you later on this video. The first thing we take a look now here is that we have our account up here. If you click on this account, you will see directly that your wallet address is copied. I will put this here, for example. Now you can see the copy of my wallet address, but if you want to show it in another way, you click on these 3 points here, click on account detail, and there you can see your wallet address as well with the QR code. What you can do now here as well is to create your own name for your wallet. I will call it now my wallet. After this you have branded your own name here on MetaMask. What you can do now also is to view this on Etherscan. So Etherscan is from MetaMask browser, where you can track all your transactions, and you can track the transaction of other people if you have their wallet address, and other people can also check your transaction if they have your wallet address. Also you can see your address up here on Etherscan as well. So back now here on MetaMask, what we have to do now is to make our perfect settings for our MetaMask account. For this, you click up here to your account button, and then you can see your wallet. You can create another account. You can also import another account. For this, you need the secret phrase, where I told you it's the most important phrase, the most important key for your account, these 12 words in the right direction. You can connect it to a hardware wallet, for example, a ledger, but we want to take a look now to the settings. For this, we go here in the settings, and there you can see the first thing you can choose here is your currency. So in my case, I take here US dollar. Down there you can like switch your currency of your account. I would give you the tip here to always let it on Ethereum. The rest here, we don't really care. Next to this, you go to the advanced setting. Yeah, the most points here aren't touched from us as well. But what is definitely interesting for us here is the auto lock timer, because if, for example, you share your account with a friend or you have it on another PC, whatever, this account will log out. So it's a reason for safeness. So I put this here on 4 minutes minimum. Then click here on save. So my auto log timer is now on 4 minutes. The next point here is the contact list. And for this, you can, like add contacts. I will now choose myself as a contact. I call it here me. Then I put in my contract address here and just save. So now I have my own contact here. So they're a little tip of mine. If you, for example, send your assets from one to the other address more than one time. So in my case, for example, I often send assets between MetaMask and BITGET, my favorite broker. And for this, I save my contact details, my wallet address of my BITGET account. That means if I go now here on my MetaMask account, my small little fox up there, and say now, okay, I want to send money, I don't have to fill all the details every time. I just can click on this contact here and fill it now with any options, with any asset I want to send here. So in my case now, I don't have money on this example MetaMask account here. But if you have money on the account, you can send it like this. The next point here is the security phrase. There you don't have to touch anything as well. Same here with the alerts. But the next point we have here are the networks. And as I told you some minutes ago, you are able to connect more than just the Ethereum network to your MetaMask account. And for this, we go up here on add a network. And there you can see there are a lot of other networks for MetaMask. Yeah, what is the most famous network here next to the Ethereum is the BNB and the Polygon network. For this, we click here now on add, approve. And then we say, okay, we want to switch now to the BNB smart chain. Got it. And there you can see your BNB smart chain is now connected also with your MetaMask account. We can say now as well that we want to add also our Polygon network. We click it the same way, add, improve, switch to Polygon network. Got it. And now we also have our Polygon network. And what is a very, very nice feature in my eyes, you will see you have the same wallet address on the Polygon network as on the Binance smart chain and also on the Ethereum network. So it doesn't care which network you use here, you all the time have the same wallet address, and I think it's a very, very great feature here of MetaMask. So, as I told you in the beginning, MetaMask allows us to connect our wallet with other applications, so for example Uniswap and PancakeSwap. And how this works, I want to show you now. Here on Uniswap now, you can see that it just allows Ethereum, Polygon and other networks, but not for example the BNB smart chain. But we can now connect our MetaMask wallet here with Uniswap to bridge Ethereum against other tokens. And for this, you go here on connect on the top right corner. You say now connect wallet, click here now on MetaMask, and you will see that MetaMask will open it. It will say now, okay, I want to connect here Uniswap with MetaMask. You go now here on next, say connect. And as you can see, now your wallet for MetaMask is connected to Uniswap. You can check it up here as well. And now, for example, you can switch Ethereum against any other asset here on Uniswap. If we go now, for example, on USDT, you put in now what is worth of 1 Ethereum. I want to switch it now, for example. You will see it's now worth $1,600, for example. But you can see there are a lot of other coins as well. So you can click here on any coin, for example, Elon, Doge, Mars, whatever. You will see it's, a lot of numbers here. So this is how it works to switch Ethereum against other coins. But we also have the opportunity to use our BNB smart chain. And for this, we go here on PancakeSwap. For sure, the links for Uniswap and for PancakeSwap are in the video description. You can check them out there. And here we have the same opportunity like on Uniswap. But you have to be careful here before you start to connect your wallet, Because we have to first go on our MetaMask account, because we are here on the Ethereum mainnet, but PancakeSwap is for the BNB smart chain. So we have to click here on our mainnet and say now we want to switch to our BNB smart chain. We go now here in PancakeSwap and then we say we want to connect the wallet, go on MetaMask, and then we have the same process like before on Uniswap. Click here on next, say connect, and our MetaMask wallet from our BNB smart chain is now connected to PancakeSwap. And here is the same like on Uniswap. You can, for example, say now, okay, I want to swap here 10 BNB to Cake, and you can use any other coin here as well. So same procedure with Uniswap you have here on PancakeSwap. So now we also want to know how we can now put in money on my MetaMask account. And for this, you are here on MetaMask and go on buy. And then you have the options to put in directly money to MetaMask. They are the big alert of my side. I wouldn't do it here with MetaMask because the fees are very high here. I all time using BITGET for this. I will show you now. So if you want to check out BITGET also, you can check the link down in the video description. There you can save 50% of fees and you support this project here. Here on BITGET now, we will go here on assets. We want to make a withdrawal now. And then we can see that we can choose our assets here on BITGET. We will now choose Ethereum, for example. We will have to choose our network as well. In our case now the Ethereum network, but you will see that the fees are different between all different networks. I will show you later with the BNB smart chain. We go now here on Ethereum, then we just put in our wallet address here and that's it. So it's an easy way here on BITGET. I will show you now for the BNB also. So you go here on your asset, click on BNB. Now you can see here we only have the opportunity for the Binance Smart Chain and the fees are much lower than the Ethereum network. Click here on the Binance Smart Chain, put in again our wallet address and just submit it. So it's easy here on BITGET and it's low fee. So I would use BITGET all the time. You can check it out by yourself. Yeah, so all in all, we have now seen a lot of MetaMask. We know what is MetaMask, we know how it works, we have all the settings, we connect it to other applications, and we know how to put in money. But one thing I want to show you now is how you integrate now different coins to your MetaMask wallet. For this, we now check out CoinMarketCap. If you are now here on CoinMarketCap, you can click on any coin here. For example, I'm going to take now Chainlink, and then you can see there is the contract of Chainlink, and you see it's on the Ethereum blockchain. But what you can see here as well, the MetaMask symbol. So you have the opportunity to click here on the little fox. Your MetaMask will open directly and then you can just say here add token. If we go now on MetaMask, you will see here your Chainlink coin is directly included to your MetaMask wallet. We can do this now, for example, with the BNB also. So we click it here on the BNB smart chain. We take now another coin here on CoinMarketCap. So for example, we take here the Dogecoin and we will see it's here on the BNB smart chain. We click again here on our MetaMask symbol. It is the same process, add token and go back on MetaMask. And you can see Dogecoin is directly integrated here to our MetaMask. So that is how it works to integrate your coin to MetaMask. So guys, that's it about today's MetaMask tutorial. If you, for example, want me to make a video about Uniswap or PancakeSwap, just write it down below in the comments. If you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe this channel, and I would say goodbye guys.